What's going on, guys? It is your boy, Mr. Nolan. All right, guys, no joke on this one because this is going to be kind of a long video. We are going to be doing area of composite figures. So here we go. All right. So, guys, a composite figure is multiple shapes made into one shape. So we're going to have to deconstruct them. Now, there's two ways you can do it. You can make a little line going this way. And now look, I have this rectangle and this rectangle. Or you could do a dotted line right here and you'll have this rectangle and this rectangle. It doesn't matter because at the end, you will get the same answer. Now, I'm going to keep it like this. Now, let's see if we can break this down just a little bit. All right, so this rectangle right here, I'm going to shade it in blue. So here it is nice and blue. Well, what are the dimensions of it? Well, it is 8 by 6. So I'm going to rewrite this one. 8 by 6. Well, guys, the formula for a rectangle is base times height. So 8 times 6 would be 48 meters squared. That's for this one. Now we got to find the area of this one. Now I want you to think about it. This whole thing is 13 meters. But I just used 8 of it right there. I used 8 of it. So how much is left? Well, 13 minus 8 would leave me with 5. So this piece of the rectangle is 5. What about this piece right here? Well, guys, this is 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6 is 13. So we have a 13 by 5 rectangle. So what is 13 times 5? 13, 26, 39, 52, 65 meters squared. Am I done? No, I'm not done. Guys, we're trying to find the area of the entire thing. So we have to add these two numbers. So 65 plus 48. Well, 8 plus 5 is 13. 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 1 is 11. So this area is 113 meters squared. Now, some are like, wow, that was a lot of work. It wasn't that bad. The hardest part is just cutting the shapes up and determining the dimensions. That's the hardest part. Okay, this next one's going to be kind of difficult, though. I personally am going to make 3 different rectangles. I got that big one right here. I got the small one. And I got the big one. All right, well, check this out. This entire length is 15. Well, guys, what is this piece? I don't know. Well, check this out. This entire length is 30. But I used 8 of it right here. So what's 30 minus 8? Well, that's 22. So 30 minus 8 is 22. Now, guys, these two pieces right here, I'm going to go ahead and do this in a dark green. These two pieces right here happen to be the same length. So if the rest of it is 22, and they're the same, 22 divided by 2 is 11. So this piece is 11. Now, guys, these two shapes are exactly the same. So this is also 15 by 11. Now, some of you are wondering, well, what is this small one? Well, we know this piece right here is 8. But what is this side piece? Well, guys, if this entire side is 15, and I use 10 of it right here, what's 15 minus 10? 5. So that piece there is 5. So now let's multiply to get our areas. So 15 times 11, well, that'll give you 165, which means this one is also 165. And right here, 8 times 5 is 40. Am I done? Nope. Got to add up all the numbers. So here we go. We have 165 plus 165 plus 40. 5 plus 5 is 10. 6 plus 6 is 12. Plus 4 is 16. Plus 1 is 17. 1 plus 1 is 2. Plus 1 is 3. So this is 370 millimeters squared. Now, guys, if at any time I am going too fast, pause the video. Pause it. All right, let's look at the next one. Ooh, this time I got a triangle this time. Ooh. All right, well, let's check this out. We know if this piece right here is 12, then this piece up here is also 12. So look at my triangle here. It's 5 by 12. Well, the formula for a triangle is base times height divided by 2. So that's 12 times 5 divided by 2. 12 times 5 is 60. Divided by 2 is 30. So the inside of my triangle is 30. Guys, this piece right here is a square. That's just side times side. So what is 12 times 12? Well, that would be 144. So these two numbers that I circled in green, 144 plus 30 will give me the answer. So 144 plus 30 is 174 meters squared. Nice and easy there, not bad at all. All right, check this one out. I have my rectangle, base times height. What is 10 times 8? Well, that's 80. So the piece of the rectangle is 80. Now my triangle, guys, gives me a height of 6, but what is my base? Well, if this is 8, isn't this also 8? Well, yes, it is. So here we go, base times height divided by 2. 6 times 8 divided by 2. 6 times 8 is 48. 48 divided by 2 is 24. So now we have to add, what is 80 plus 24? 80 plus 24, well, that is 104 meters squared. There's your answer. Again, not bad at all. All right, the last one, guys. We have a trapezoid with a couple of triangles. You're like, no, this is too hard. No, it's not. Well, guys, check this out. If this piece is 15, doesn't that mean this piece is also 15? Now, some of y'all are like, well, can't we just do a rectangle and 2 triangles? You could do that. Guys, if you see it, I have a rectangle here. You can do 15 times 3 and get 45, and then find the area of both triangles if you wanted to. Or you could say, oh my God, this is just one big trapezoid. So that'd be base 1 plus base 2 times the height divided by 2. What do y'all want to do? I want to show you all the trapezoid just in case you see it again. So the formula for a trapezoid, base 1 plus base 2 times the height divided by 2. Now, guys, this is your base 1, this entire thing. What is this entire length in blue? Well, 5 plus 15 is 20. Plus 5 is 25. So that entire length is 25. Your other base is 15. your height here is 3. So here we go. Base 1 is 25 plus base 2 is 15 times my height of 3 divided by 2. Well, 25 plus 15 is 40. And then we have 40 times 3 divided by 2. Well, guys, 40 times 3 is 120. Divide that by 2 and you get an area of 60 centimeters squared. Now, some of you are wondering, would you get the same answer if you did the rectangle and the 2 triangles? Well, let's check it out. I'm going to redraw this one on the back. Now, y'all don't be jealous. I'm an A1 artist. Not really. Okay, so we know that this is 5. This is 3. This is 15. This is 5. And this is 3. All right, we'll do the triangle first. Do the triangle. So base times height divided by 2. So that would be 5 times 3 divided by 2. Well, guys, 5 times 3 is 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. So guys, this triangle is 7.5. And this triangle right here is also 7.5. But what about the rectangle here? Do y'all see this rectangle? Base times height. 15 times 3 is 45. Add up these numbers. Well, 7.5 plus 7.5. 14. Oh, it's just 15. What is 15 plus 45? 60. So check that out, guys. You get the same exact answer. It doesn't matter if you use the trapezoid or the rectangle with 2 triangles. You get the same answer. Again, guys, if I was going a little fast on this video, please pause and take notes. I was just trying to make sure this video didn't last too long. All right, guys, you have a wonderful day. I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye, guys.